Welcome to English Digital. Let us today see as to how we can design a logo using Canva within 5 minutes. Okay, if you don't have a Canva account, the link to joining Canva is in the description. You can sign up for a free account or go for a pro account. Well, I would advise you to go for a pro account. You get a 30-day free trial, and go for a pro account because you get access to over 60 million assets. That is elements, images, videos, you name it. All the graphical elements which you'd find in any other software application like Adobe and all the rest is available in Canva. Okay, all that is available in the pro account. For the free account, that's its limitations. Okay, so let us quickly run into designing a logo within 5 minutes. Okay, first, if you don't have an account, click sign up, and you can sign up using your Google Gmail, your Facebook account, or directly with your email. So after you sign up, you will come up to this screen. Okay, I already have a pro account I can see here. So let me quickly go through as to how you can design a logo. Now, when you click create design here, once you click this create design, you get the drop down menu, which is a default. So using Canva, you can create Facebook posts, Facebook covers, YouTube videos, thumbnails, banners, and all of that. So in this video, we're going to look at just a logo. Probably I'll create more videos on the others as well in the future. So a logo default size, the key with this is to give the default pixel parameters for Facebook posts and Facebook cover. The logo standard one is 500 into 500 pixels. That's a standard size. Click the logo there. Okay, they will be taken into the inbuilt editor of Canva. The cool thing about this inbuilt editor is it gives you pre-made templates of logos, covering various categories. You get the categories on top here. For example, if you're running let's say gaming business, okay, for example, okay, if you click gaming, you get a lot of pre-made templates with regards to gaming. And the beauty of this is you can edit. For example, if you choose this one here, this logo, this is not just fixed. Like you can see, easily editable. You can edit this. For example, put Steve Gaming Zone, for example. Okay, I'm sticking. Try. You can change the text. If you want to change the image, you can delete the image. Go to elements, gaming. Sorry, got spelling wrong there. Gaming. Choose gaming. Okay, you want to use something else. Let's say. Okay, for this purpose, let us quickly choose something. Let us say this picture, this element. Okay, now all this is available in the pro account as part of the package for free. You get only a few elements available, and you will get the pro account. Sign in the icon there where you need to basically go for a paid account to use all the features. For example, see, I can change all of this. If you want to change the colors, I can change the colors. It's all 100% editable. Okay, everything can be changed. The whole idea of these pre-made templates is to give you a heads up with a design template. Easily you can just choose a theme, and you can just edit the images and the pictures and the colors, so you have the theme structure, so it makes your life easier. Okay, so if you look at more logo options like food, you get a lot of options here. Same concept. You can just edit. You can edit all of this. You can edit. You go Steve here. You have Laura. Okay, earlier I put gaming zone, so it comes as gaming zone, but we can put we don't put any text. We keep it as it is. You can get the logo as it is. Okay, so simple as that. You can increase the size of the elements. You can change the elements like I showed before, and it's just a matter of designing the quick logo here. You can include a lot of options, elements, styles. There's so much you can play with here. Okay, there's so much of stuff you can play with. You could type food for elements. See, you can even add a folk if you want to. Somewhere here. It's free. It's for you to use. It's your creativity. So once you add all the information, it's a matter of clicking share button on top, download, choose the PNG format, you get the PNG, JPEG, and all those formats. But for logo high resolution, we need the PNG. Click PNG, click download, and that's it. When you click download, bam, you get the logo, and you can use this logo anywhere. In your visiting cards, your website, your apps, anywhere. So we created the logo in 5 minutes, but it takes more than that actually. 10 to 15 minutes if you want to really plan out, think out, even more time. But all the elements are available in Canva to utilize and make that stunning logo for your business. Okay, so if you want to sign up to the Canva Pro account, the link is in the description. Please go ahead, sign up. If you need any, if you have any doubts, please leave it in the comments. I will be more than happy to guide you to design the perfect logo for you. Or if you want your logo design, kindly do leave your contact details in the comments or email address. I will contact you. Okay, so until next time, it's bye bye from English Digital. Thank you very much.